Where's your daddy? Can you find him? Where's daddy? Is that him? Who's that?
Dada.
Gigi.
Dada.
Gigi.
Dada.
Where's daddy?
Dada.
That's Bubba. That's brother. That's Weston.
Papa.
That's brother. That's right. That's your brother.
Papa.
Where's daddy? Where's Nana and Papa? Did you see Nana and Papa? Who's that?
Papa.
Brother. That's right. That's
Papa.
right. That's right. Where's Julia? That's right. Who's that? Who's that?
Do. 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 Do.
Julia, how old are you? How old are you?
Do. 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 Do.
Really? How old are you, Julia?
Do.
1. That's right. You are the smartest girl. 1. Did you hear that truck? Can you blow me a kiss? Jules. Julia. Mommy wants a high five. Mommy wants a high five. Jules. Jules. Where's Daddy? Can you find Can you find Daddy? Mama, that's right.
Dada. 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 Dada.
Where was Daddy?
Dada.
That's right.
Dada. 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 Dada.
Where's Nana and Papa?
Papa.
Where's Nana and Papa?
Papa.
Papa? Where's Papa? Keep looking. You can do it.
Do.
I don't know what your brother's doing. I'm gonna have to go get him. Weston!